Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can create a custom status on Slack. Basically, you just have to go open Slack, and you should have it installed on your phone, on your iOS. Basically, you go ahead and go click it, open it up, and it should show your chats. And in this case, this is my chat right now currently, and this is a dummy chat. And once we have it, you go ahead and click on more, or you can go ahead and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, it should say if I want to set a custom status, like in this bracket right here, in this option right here, it says what's your status. I would go ahead and create me a custom status. I could just go ahead and type I'm out at the movies, so do not contact me because I'm enjoying my weekend, or something like that. Okay, I can't type, but that's really hilarious. But so there we go. That basically is it. So just I could add up an emoji just to make it seem more authentic, and that pretty much is how you set your custom status. Now next thing you know, I had to go click on save. I do it, and there we go. That is my custom status. All of my teammates, my team members, they will be able to see it, and they will get the idea of what I am doing on my weekends. So that basically is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and until then, I'll catch you in the next video.